Hi guys. There's been a lightning strike on a power line. I'm gonna show you in a few seconds. Comment. Please let me get a lot of views and can I can I at least see or know what just happened? I almost got struck by lightning about a few blocks away. No, 1 block away. I'm gonna show you now. Right there. That power line got hit. If you can see that little small line right there. Right there. Yeah. That's crazy. It got hit right there. Well, my whole yard is filled with hail, and probably another lightning storm is gonna happen. So I'm gonna open my door. My window, I meant. Just a little crack, though. To let you guys hear the thunderstorm. I'm just gonna set this down right here. Just to let you guys hear the sound. Oh, guys, if you haven't been wondering where I was trying to get a new, thing for my, for streaming, uh, webcam, yeah. My friend is on the other line on PS4, Gangaball and Corbin, the Mighty on PS4. Come join us if you want to. Battlefield, try to download that. I'm just gonna let you hear the sounds now. Bye.